Hello and welcome to Knowledge. The chapter we are going to see today is chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 CBSE. Now we all know the general format of writing a linear equation in single variable, right? Linear equation can be written in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. Here we have certain conditions like a and b are real numbers and a and b are not equal to 0. Here x is the variable and a will be the coefficient of x. Now linear equation in two variables can be written in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a, b and c are real numbers and a and b will not be equal to 0. Here x and y are the two variables and a and b will be their coefficients. Now pair of linear equations can be solved using two methods. First of all, we have to see what is the format for writing pair of linear equations. Now the general method for writing pair of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now here say for example you have two equations, 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Here 3 and 4 will be a1 and a2, 2 and 3 will be b1 and b2, and 5 and 6 will be c1 and c2. Okay, now pair of linear equations is just nothing but you will be given two equations wherein you have to solve them using two methods. Those two methods are, one is graphical method and the other one is algebraic method. Okay, now linear equation in single variable is actually, if it's represented on a graph, then it forms a straight line. So the pair of linear equations in two variables, if they are represented on a graph, then there are three possibilities that can happen. The first one is a1 by a2 is equal to, not equal to b1 by b2. If you have an equation saying 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 and the second one is 4x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0, then a1 and a2 will be 3 and 4, b1 and b2 will be 2 and 3. Obviously they are not equal to one another. So these kind of equations, they will give you intersecting lines. And see, if this line is formed by the first equation and this line is formed by the second equation, now here there is a point where they meet. This will be the number of solutions. See, since they meet only at one point, the number of solution is only 1. So, or unique solution. Then the number of points where they meet will be the number of solutions. So the one point where they meet will be the number of solutions. This is a unique solution. Now since they give you any solutions, whenever these equations they give you a solution, then it is also meant that they are consistent. Okay, the second possibility is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Now say for example you have an equation x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. Now here see x, the coefficient of x is 1 here, so 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 6 by 12. Now if you further solve it, this is 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, this is 1 6 are 6 and 2 6 are 12. So here this is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now here since they are all equal to one another, they will give you coincident lines. This line is formed by the first equation and the second equation forms a line overlapping the first one. It means that they have innumerable points where they meet. So they will give you infinite number of solutions. And since they give you solution, they are also called consistent. The third possibility is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Now for example, you have an equation x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 9x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now here 3 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to minus 3 by 6. So here this gives you 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. This is already in the lower term. So this is minus 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So here this is 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2. So now they give you parallel lines. Because a line formed by the first equation is here and the second line is formed just parallel to it. It means they do not meet anywhere. So since they do not meet anywhere, they cannot give you any solution. So they do not have any solutions, no solution. And since they do not give you any solution, they are said to be inconsistent. Okay, now the next one is the algebraic method. There are three ways of doing algebraic method. The first one is substitution method. Second one is elimination method. And the third one is cross multiplication method. So we will look into this in a detailed manner once we go to the relevant exercise. So for now, this is the introduction part. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Let's go to exercise number 3.1 in our next video. Till then, bye.